So in this box is the Fifine K690. It's a pretty interesting mic that uses USB connection, and I think that it's really nice for the price. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi again, my name is Sam. So as I said in the beginning, today we'll be checking out something quite interesting sent over by Fifine. This is the Fifine K690. It's one of their USB microphones, and I think that it sounds really nice for the price. So a huge thanks to Fifine for sending this over for me for a review. Let's get this video started. This is the Fifine K690. It's a microphone, a USB microphone, sent over by Fifine for me to take a look at. So far I like the box. Let's take a look around it. So on the front we can see it says Fifine, understand your voice better. And on the back of the box we can go through a few features it has. It has a microphone gain switch, a pattern pickup switch, a mute button, a headphone volume, and it has 4 patterns for picking up: cardio, omni, bidirectional, and stereo pickup patterns. And it also has a large diaphragm mic capsule that delivers slightly fuller, warm, and clear sound. On the bottom here we can see that it has excellent sound quality. On the bottom of the box we can go through a few requirements it needs. Here's the few system requirements. You can pause if you want to take a look at all the specs and stuff. So inside the box right here we can see it's going to have a Fifine recording microphone, a premium USB cable, adjustable desktop stand, and a user manual guide. Let's open it up. Let me just slide it open. Wow, really nice packaging. So on the top we have this Fifine card where you can find the website, their Facebook page, and their contact information. On the back it just has a message saying thank you, and you can check out their Facebook and stuff for customer service. And then of course you have a really long and big Fifine K690 user's guide. So if you have any problems with the mic or you want to know how to set it up, this is going to be the thing you should look at. Now let's take a look at the box and see how it looks like. Inside they have a foam covering on top for protection. That's a really good thing. Okay, so inside we can see the mic itself. There's a box here, and I believe this is going to be the screw for the stand. Let me just try to take it out. So here we have the mic itself. It feels pretty nice, and the metal build quality is really nice. These are my first impressions. So this is what the back looks like, and this is what the front looks like. So it has a Fifine logo over here and a few dials. Other things included in the box, we have a little small box here. I believe it's the USB cable. Let me just open it up. Yeah, so in this box we have the Fifine USB cable. It's quite high quality. We can see the Fifine logo right here. And then this is what it plugs into, the microphone. The box is kind of empty, but we do have a little mount right here, so you can screw it into a stand if you want to. And that is it for everything in the box. So this is how I sound like talking into the Fifine K690. My mouth is around 1 inch away from the microphone, and the gain is set to 0. I have my fan running in the background and my aircon on with my PC fans on. So the audio sounds really good in my opinion, especially for a mic around this price, and it's USB. It's not really picking up noise from the background like from the vehicles outside my window or my fan. I think this is a really good mic, and it's suppressing the background noise quite nice, and audio quality is definitely a plus. So this is just going to be for sound comparison. I'm currently talking into my Razer Barracuda X headset. It's a wireless headset, and the mic can be unplugged. So this is how I sound like. It's not the best, but it's one of the better headsets. So after taking a look at the mic, after getting to unbox it and use it for a few days, I think that I like a few things about this mic. First thing is the build quality. The full metal build of this mic feels really premium in hand, and the dials and everything really feels nice. It's not cheap at all. Second thing I really like about this mic is definitely the audio quality. So after taking a look and testing the mic, I think that the audio is really nice for this price range and it's definitely a good buy. So if you're looking for a USB mic that has no hassles, no drivers, it's just plug and play, I would recommend the Fifine K690. It's going for around 300 ringgit right now, and for the price, I think it's a really good buy for the audio quality. So if you're interested with this microphone, links will be down in the description below. You can check them out on their website, and links to buy this will also be provided as well. So that has been it. That has been the quick look and quick review at this Fifine K690. Do tell me if you want me to get more in-depth into this microphone. I think overall it's a good microphone for the price, especially for around 350 ringgit. For all the budget choices out there, this is definitely one of the better ones, and the audio, as you guys can hear, is pretty nice. So just to sum up everything in this video, the microphone sounds nice, the build quality is nice, and for the price, it's definitely a contender. So if you like this video, you can leave a like. If you didn't like this video, you can dislike this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. There's a lot of video content coming very soon. And as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye, guys.